If you want quality picture and sound, you'll need to invest in upgrades. External web cameras that broadcast in 1080p are good because they capture HD picture. Pretty much any external microphone will be better than what's built into a laptop, pretty much. For your microphone, just be aware that it needs to come through clean and at a good volume, a good level. You don't want it to be too loud or too quiet. You can adjust the gain on your microphone in your computer settings as well. If you seem to have trouble with that, you can make the microphone input louder or quieter just to monitor it. Also, placement is extremely important when it comes to getting good sound. Should you want a more in-depth look at external microphones and what might be best for your setup, I recorded a live presentation on that on Zoom, and you can access that via the Zoom tutorial and presentation page on the website. A whole long hour or so going into the different things that you may find useful when it comes to audio.